Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to import videos in your Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, importing video files is one of the first steps in any and every editing project. My name is Raymond. Let's get started. First, open up Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Once you have your project open, you would want to import your video files by selecting File, then Import. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl-I or Command-I on a Mac. Next, navigate the location of your video file and select it. You can select multiple files by holding down the Ctrl key or Command key on Mac and clicking on the files you want to import. Once you have selected your video files, click Import. Adobe Premiere Pro will then begin importing your video files into your project. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much time is left until your files are fully imported. Once your video have been imported, you'll be able to access them on the project panel located at the bottom left of your Adobe Premiere Pro interface. From there, you can drag and drop your video files into the timeline to begin editing. And that's it. Importing video files in Adobe Premiere Pro is a simple and straightforward process that any and every beginner can master. If you find this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more tutorials on Adobe Premiere Pro.